The 2015 Chrysler 200. This midsize sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, navigation package, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, compass, power windows, heated front seats, trip computer, remote keyless entry, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.